Welcome to our review of the WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster. Are you tired of using disposable air cans that are not only expensive, but also harm the environment? Let's take a closer look at this powerful and eco-friendly cleaning tool. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster reaches speeds of up to 110,000 RPM, effectively removing dust and debris from various surfaces. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can tailor the airflow to suit different cleaning tasks, from delicate electronics to heavy-duty cleaning. This portable and lightweight air duster weighs only 0.45 pounds, making it easy to carry around. The included lanyard ensures convenient use both indoors and outdoors. Plus, with 4 nozzles, you can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, from PCs and keyboards to home surfaces and car interiors. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 is not only powerful, but also eco-friendly. Built from durable materials with a long-lasting battery, this air duster reduces waste and saves you money in the long run. With fast charging in just 3.5 hours and up to 240 minutes of use on the lowest setting, you're always ready to clean. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a homeowner, or a car owner, the WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster is a versatile tool that can help you keep your belongings clean and dust-free. With a 24-month guarantee and 24/7 customer service, you can trust that you're investing in a quality product. So why choose the WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster? It's powerful, eco-friendly, and convenient. With its adjustable speed settings and multiple nozzles, you can tackle any cleaning task with ease. Don't let dust and debris build up on your belongings. Get your hands on the WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster today and experience the power of efficient cleaning. With its durable design and long-lasting battery, this air duster is a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster or would like to purchase one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tutorials.